What you're seeing is the voltage out of the smoke port and a common port, and all I'm doing is using track power to adjust it. So even like at off, we got 5 volts coming out the smoke. At 30 miles an hour on my 15 here, we got 747 volts. At 60 miles an hour, it goes up to 9.5. At 90, it goes up to 12 volts. And at 120 maximum, which is about 15 volts loaded up here, it's actually 16, we're bringing in 14.37 volts to the heater, which would get us to about 375 degrees Celsius estimated. So you cannot use track or TMCC power to run the smoke. You must use a volt regulator. And in this case, you don't need the capacitor and the flipper. Well, yes, you do. I beg your pardon. You would go to track power. You would, or through. Well, you'd use track power even with the TMCC. You could use the 14 volts in here. It's DC, so you could eliminate these two parts and bring 14 volts in here, which is a shade off track power. Okay. But you definitely need this piece here. Okay. If you're running the track AC, you need this. If we're using the PS2 or 3 from Mike's Train House, you just need these two pieces. Sorry, these two pieces. Convert it and rectify and store it up in a capacitor for smart. You can eliminate the rectifier and go right into smart, because it only comes in about 9 volts. We can handle that. But 14 volts? Hell no. 17 volts? Hell no. Okay, that's it. Later.